Historical Society. This is our 68th year. We've continued to grow, as you'll probably see in some of the pictures that the gentleman has taken. Our goal, our mission statement is to support history. As you can see around, a lot of people have a lot of exhibitions to show history. We're very proud of our exhibitors, very proud of what they have. We have quite arrangements of gas engines, construction equipment, you name it, we pretty much got one of it here. I'm very blessed as president to have a great staff, a board who supports this show very much. We have a 4-day show. It's Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. It's the second week after Labor Day. We're at what they call the Upper Coast Carnival grounds. And we have multiple events. We have thrashing, we have rock crushing, we have sawmilling, we have tractor pulls. We're adding things every year, kiddie pools. For myself, personally, this is going into my 10th year as being president of the association. Personally, for me, I have one major mission, and that is working with youth. We're very fortunate here. We've brought a lot of young people back in this collecting. We make them a part of it. They help all aspects of the show. They're in the kitchen. They're doing all kind of activities. That way, they have a sense of responsibility for keeping this show going. That's what the major mission for me personally, because without succession and without the elders of our club teaching the youth and showing them and maintaining the history, without that we won't have a succession plan. So, and we've done very well at it. We have every 2 years we have our own STEAM school put on by our STEAM group. We have young people involved in that so they can learn how to the safe operation of engines, and then when they come here, the older generation works with them and has them helping run steam engines, so they get to utilize what they've done in the school. But mostly of all, like I said, our whole goal is to preserve history and to make sure that generations to come can see it, and this is a great place to see it here at Upperco at our Maryland Steam and Historical Society show. So, thank you all.
eventually, yeah. What's up to you?
The whole wall is down. Okay. So what's happening is it's vertical front.